recipe that we make in our family all the time. Really popular marinade that we put on chicken and just grill up the chicken. It's a great dinner, super quick, that everyone in our house eats and everyone is excited about. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it real fast. I wanted to show you guys on video so that you could see how quickly it comes together. It's something you can do when your kids are running around. It's really easy. So here are the ingredients. I've got half of a lemon. Here I have 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, oil, salt, garlic powder, ground thyme, brown sugar, and a little bit of pepper. I use garlic powder just because it's easier. You could definitely use fresh garlic and mince it up and put it in there. But, you know, do whatever you're feeling. So anyways, I've got the Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add in a cup of oil. And this usually works for, I don't know, a couple of pounds of chicken. Again, it's not super precise. Add in the salt. It's a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And I put the recipe in the post for you guys so that you have it written down and you can reference it later if you want. I'll put the link to the post below the video. So, all right, so we've got those ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the lemon juice out of here. Get all that last juice. Of course, toss this into the compost bin. You all know how much I love composting. Lastly, add a little bit of pepper. All right, you can add as much or as little as you like to taste. And then I'm just going to use a fork to mix it up. So as I mix it all up, it'll just take a minute. And then normally I would put the chicken in a container or a plastic bag and let the marinade sit for an hour or 2 hours, and then just grill it up and it's done. So that's it. There's the marinade. Pretty awesome. So like I said, I put the link to the blog post with the recipe, put that in the notes below the video, so go ahead and check it out. And if you want to see more simple, eco-friendly living for families, definitely be sure to subscribe. So thanks so much, guys.